OnePlus View, the beauty of the design not only is to meet the user needs for functionality, but also to present the emotional value between the user and the product. When we first designed the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, while giving to the product infinite possibilities in terms of appearance, we also considered how to continue the essence of the OnePlus style and blend performance and beauty into one. We found the concept of time, which is both tangible and intangible.
我们让镜片之间不同的部件和材料进行质感和颜色的统一，单颗黑色镜头和通透玻璃有机的融合，共同诞生了新的视觉美感，使画面更加的和谐和优美。后摄部分与机身承载更为强大技术的同时，实现产品体态的平衡。
The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro has evolved again while retaining the black hole aesthetic design language of its predecessor. We want to make the product light and free from the limitations imposed by the hardware through the design, from darkness to clarity and brightness, mapping the change of the rear camera lens inside from the black lens to the same color dial.
在这个理念下，一加 A2 Pro 的设计逐渐完善。我们希望用户在使用产品的时候，沉浸在整体的氛围之中，而不对其体验形成干扰。
There is no doubt that the design concept of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro represents OnePlus' most cutting-edge thinking about aesthetic design. It will also undoubtedly be the most iconic presence among the performance phones.